Hello, good news. LG Life is Good provide self-repair service now. Okay, I just checked from Google AI. I didn't get an answer, and I checked from ChatGPT. Okay, use ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave me answer. It says LG launches its self-repair program for refrigerators and other appliances in 2023. Okay, include washers, vacuums, okay, refrigerators. Okay, I got lots LG product or Samsung. Okay, they all have problem. I got two LG refrigerators, three refrigerators. Okay, two already had compressor problem. Okay, one is out of warranty. Okay, they have extended warranty for compressor, but that one is out of extended warranty. I have to get repair, pay for it. Another one still still within the extended warranty. Okay, they couldn't fix it. Okay, by the policy, if they can't fix it for 3 times, they have to replace it. Okay, so that means I replace a new one. Okay, they give me the price for old one. I use about 5 years. Okay, they calculate the price. Okay, and give some money. Okay, the portion of money, and then you can use the money to buy a new one. Okay, and then I bought a new one. I think it's called ThinQ. All right, so this one still has problem. Okay, the problem, the well-known problem is ice maker. Okay, the really well-known problem is the Kraft ice maker. Okay, this refrigerator has two ice makers. One is on the door, make ice cube. Another one is in the bottom, in the freezer part. Okay, they make ice balls. All right, so that means that kind of in the bar. All right, they make a cocktail or something. Really fancy ice ball, very good. All right, that's the two ice makers. They all have problems. First, okay, I got my ice cube. Okay, one got problem. It's still in the warranty. Okay, I got repaired. Replaced. Okay, when the guy came, the guy told me, all right, oh, okay, you have problem for this ice maker? I said, yeah, it's most people have the problem for the Kraft ice maker. I said, well, right, but anyway, they replace it. But anyway, okay, later on, the Kraft ice maker got problem. Okay, that's already out of 1 year warranty. Okay, I checked online. Okay, I know this really common problem. Okay, you have people get repair or replace from time to time, not only one time. They keep having problem. Okay, I think there was a lawsuit in California or something, but the LG refused to get a recall or something. But right now, I'm recently I've been shutting that ice maker off. But still sometimes they from time to time to make very weird noise. Basically I can show you. This one is old one. The lever keep moving, make a really weird noise. I say maybe I have to replace it, right? And then I contact LG. All right, so LG website, I try to call them, but it's hard to call them basically, right? There's online chat. It's really easy to use. During the online chat, they offer me self repair service. I didn't know that. They say I can send you a new Kraft ice maker. Can you repair by yourself? I say, well, this is really surprised. I say, yeah, I can try. The guy, the agent over there just said it's really easy, right? It's really easy, just 2 screws, something like that. I say, well, I can try. They say, I'm gonna send you a new Kraft ice maker along with new water filters. I said, well, it's a good deal. He said, yeah, go ahead. After they send me a link, they text you, by the short message, text you a link, you can follow the link, I'm gonna post that link, underneath my video, you can check it, right? But I'm not sure if you follow that link, they will send you the water filter or not, if you want to contact them from the chat, from the website, just go ahead, right? And but the chat is take lots of time. Okay, they ask you to check this or check that. Okay, it's just useless, waste of time. Okay, so but anyway, if you want to do that, it's fine. Okay. Actually, okay, I want to talk about one thing, important thing. They say it's easy to replace. Okay, there's a YouTube video. They also send you a video link. Okay, you can watch it. All right. True, it's 2 screws. Okay, 2 screws. Ice maker is like this way. Screws here. Okay, down this here. You cannot really see it. Okay, oh, right here. It's here, right here, and right here. You can see the screw is inside. Okay, the ice maker is like this way, fixed to the in the freezer. Okay, freezer department. So that means on the bottom drawer. Okay, you have to there's a YouTube video. You can remove the tray, then you can do the job. Also, if we want to more access, you have to remove the door. Okay, I didn't remove my door. Okay, I just remove the tray. All right. The screws is there. You cannot see it. Okay, you really have to use a screwdriver. Okay, and try it. All right. It's hard. Okay, it's really tight. It's really tight. If you don't have a power tool, okay, if you are a lady, okay, if you don't have really good grip or power in your hand, okay, it's hard for you. Okay, for me, I really try hard. Okay, because you have to do a screwdriver upside down. You do like put a screwdriver like this way. Okay, and then you turn it. Okay, also you have to really bend over. It's really low. Okay, you have to do this. It's not a really comfortable position, right? And you cannot see it. Okay, but you really have to try hard. Okay, to loosen those 2 screws. But after that, it's kind of easy. Okay, after you remove the screws, okay, you just take it down, and then this thing, this pin connector, whatever, is easy to remove. Okay, but another hard part is, okay, when you put back in, okay, you cannot see the connector on the refrigerator side. Okay, you really have to look at and try. Okay, I just look at and try because there are only a few positions. Okay, you can look at, get estimate position, and then you can use this thing to push in. The good thing is like this thing can only one way. Okay, if position doesn't match, you cannot connect this one to the connector. You cannot push this one in. But once you match this connector and another side, okay, it's really easy to push in. Okay, you can hear the click. Okay, all right. Basically, that's it. Okay, but the things like keep in mind, you have to wait for 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. Okay, to get first batch of ice balls. Okay, I make ice ball every 12 hours and 24 hours, 3 balls. You can set at 6 balls or 3 balls. Right, so that's it. Okay, so I think not only this craft ice maker, okay, they offer you self-repair service. I think maybe the door ice maker still they have the same service. Okay, if you have problem with the LG, or you can try to contact them. Okay, see if they can give you a self-repair service option. All right, this free. Okay, it's free. It's kind of convenient. Okay, I don't want because I got dogs. Okay, I don't want people. I work at home. Okay, I don't want people come in my home and the dog keeps barking. It really bothers me. But this service actually is a really good option for me. All right, so LG, even though products are not that good, okay, but the service I can say is pretty good. But again, okay, I have to remind you. Okay, you can try to repair this by yourself, but the screw, okay, if you don't have power tool, okay, it's really hard to loosen